If you're not receiving a verification email in Gmail, there are several things you can try to fix the problem. First, check your spam folder. Open the Gmail app, tap the menu icon in the top left corner, scroll down and select Spam. Sometimes Gmail automatically filters verification emails as spam, so take a quick look to see if the message is there. You can also use the search bar at the top of Gmail to find the email faster. For example, if you're expecting a verification email from Google, simply search for Google and check the results. If the email still isn't showing up, try refreshing the Gmail app by offloading it. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, go to General, then iPhone Storage, and wait for the list of apps to load. Find Gmail and tap it. If you see the Offload App option, tap it and confirm. This removes the app while keeping your data safe. After the app has been offloaded, open Gmail again. Your iPhone should automatically reinstall the app. Once it's ready, check your inbox to see if the verification email has arrived. If you're still not receiving the email, try using Gmail in your web browser instead of the app. Open Safari or any browser on your iPhone, go to google.com and sign in to your Google account if needed. Tap the Google Apps icon in the top right corner and select Gmail. If a prompt appears asking you to open the Gmail app, choose I'm not interested, so Gmail opens directly in your browser. Then check your inbox again. If the Gmail app is having trouble syncing, the verification email may still appear in the web version. That's all. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.